नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज की वीडियो में हम देखते हैं कि हम अगला स्टेप हमने क्या अभी तक हमने क्या सीखा है और हम आगे क्या सीखने वाले हैं। सो हमने हैक-RAS को ओपन कर लिया है और हम अपना प्रोजेक्ट ओपन करते हैं। सो प्रोजेक्ट जो हमने सेव किया है, दैट प्रोजेक्ट इज इन दिस डी ड्राइव एंड दिस इज द प्रोजेक्ट नेम trial.prg. So here I have opened the project, and now go to the RAS mapper where we can see the things which we have done in previous videos. Okay, so here we can see that I have created an embankment from this road toward this bank, like from left bank to right bank, flow is coming from upward to downward. So this is an embankment, or I'm trying to create a road. So this is just a trial thing. Here you can see that I have given an elevation. Like here the elevation approx 71.56, and I have given 72 elevation to this embankment. Okay, and after that I have run the model at 200 cubic flow. Okay, and let's like I have given here 72 meter elevation, uh, where the river bed elevation is approx 763. So approx 9 meter elevation I have given at 9 meter elevation embankment I have given here. Okay, and the width I have given it approx to measure you have to click here. The width is approximately 25 meter. I think it is 20 meter I have given. So the width is roughly 20 meter, and bottom width is 60 meter. So the top width is 20 meter. You can see that 9.9, top width is 20 meter. And if you want to see exact thing, then you have to click here embankment. You have to click right click and edit. Actually this thing I have done using terrain modification tool. You can do it in different way in HEC-RAS, but here I have done this in terrain modification. In this, from this method you can do any changes in the terrain. Like if you want to create a channel, you want to create an embankment, so you can do these things in the in the terrain. So here if you do like this, and in edit mode if you click on editor, then you can see that top width is 20 meter, bottom width 60 meter I have taken, and maximum elevation I have given 72 meter throughout the embankment. Okay, if you are going to create road, you have to make a proper slope. But here just I'm going to show you how model works if an embankment comes across the river. And in this model, in this video, I'm going to create culverts here. Then we will see flow is passing through this culvert or not. So this is just an experiment, and this is a big river, not that big like Ganga, Ghaghara, but this is a tributary of Ghaghara. So it also have 100 and 150 meter width, and where you have to build bridge. But first I am going to show you how you can insert the culvert. So we will give number of multiple barrel we will give. Okay, so let's do that. So in 2D, as I have given here, I have given, let's see the geometry. So in geometry, you can see I have given the break line and refinement. So let's see what grid size I have given in the refinement. So For that, you have to right click on refinement, you have to go in edit mode, then you have to right click here, and then you can see the properties. So refinement is 20 meter by 20 meter. Okay, 20 meter by 20 meter into 25 meter. Okay, and brake line uh, is 10 meter by 10 meter into 15 meter. Okay, so to create yes, for the culvert, you have to uh, make a structure. Okay, so as a 2D connection you have to create first. So this is an edit mode, you have to create a as a 2D connection here. So I have just created this, and the width of embankment is 20, so I'm giving here 20 meter. Okay, this is created. Okay, and if in layers property I want to know the chain edge. So for that you have to click on this stationing, and plot width you have to uncheck, and then you can see here I have started this connection is from this point to and entered at this point. So for 25-meter line I have I have stretches here, and I have to give a proper uh, proper grid size, or we have to give a uh, you have to edit it, and we have to give a spacing and to create a grid to connect the below grid, like 2D grid. So the maximum grid size is let's see the maximum cell size here in brake line is approx 15 meter. So in SA2D connection we will connect it in that way, 15 meters. So I am going to give it 3 meter by 3 meter, and here 10 meter. Okay, let's check it, if enforce it. When you enforce it, is there any problem? It connected properly. Yes, it connected properly, and I have given the minimum size is approx 3 meter. So more than that culvert barrel I have to take, otherwise it will go into only one shell. So this is done, and now I have to specify the culverts here. So barrel I have to give. So for that, let's zoom here, and after that you can give the culvert. So I will start from this point, to this point. First barrel I am going to give. So let's give 10 by 10. 10 meter. 10 meter is too much. Let's give 5 by 5. 5 meter by 5 meter. Square barrel I am going to give. Okay. Let's similarly you have to give the barrels. This is like I am giving the gate in a barrage. Okay, let me do one thing. Wait. Let me do one thing. Like I'm uh, just create only two or three barrel. Okay, from here to here, and wait. So barrel I have to skip 10 meter by 10 meter. This is a rough method or rough idea I'm going to uh, apply here. Okay, two barrels I have given 10 by 10. Okay, let's see what happen. Okay, let's give one more three barrel. Okay, that's it. And now I have to click on this edit mode, and I have to stop the editing, and after that I have to click on this. It is doing something. Okay, it is saved now. After that I have to go in geometry, and in geometry you will see your thing where you have to provided the things. Okay, click on this, and then first of all enforce internal connection here, and after that you have to again click on this and edit connection, and to edit connection you will see here 72-meter concrete embankment is given here, and in culvert here you can see that I'm going to give box culvert here, 10 meter by 10 meter span I'm going to give a square, and this is rectangular concrete, and the length I have taken in the barrel length 23 meter, approx it is taken 34 meter, 0.5 to 1 coefficient, and the minings I am going to give 0.02. Three barrels I have applied. The upstream invert elevation is less comparison to downstream. How it is possible? Okay, let's place it above the downstream. So 68.6. Let's give it, and then click on OK. Okay. Problem is you are going to give 10-meter height. Okay, like you have just at that point the bottom elevation. Let's check the bottom elevation at those point. Like here, if you want to check bottom elevation, press Control and okay, and cut profile terrain. So here you can see that. Okay. So let's start from this point. Let's start from this point. Now this is 64, 63. It start at 63 approx. Okay, 63.5. And here what you are seeing 68. Problem is, what is the problem? Problem is it is on the slope of embankment. Okay, the culverts is on the slope of embankment. Okay, that's okay. Let's do this. Let's see what happens when we run the model. But this is not possible. This is coming out from the bottom to. So we have to give it a 5 meter. Let's see what happen in 5 meter. 5 meter is also too much. Then we have to give it 3 meter In 3 meter it is okay. So we have to increase this one. 15 meter I have to give. Okay, so this is okay now. Now I have to save this, and after saving we have to run this. To run it I have to save one more. Run study 2D with culvert. Okay, okay, 2D with culvert. Okay, we could paste DEC 0999 01 Jan 1000 2400. Here you can see it is about to finish. Okay, it is completed. It has taken 43 seconds. Now we have to click on close, and then we have to go in Rush Mapper to see the result. Okay, so let's see what the result now. Maybe the things will be fine. Let's see. Here you can see like flow is coming from here to here because in this one flow is completely stopped here, but but in this one you can see some flow in the downstream. It means there is something good, but how it is happening, let's see. Let's see. So we have to run this one. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, at this point, wow, wow, really nice. You have to make a speed a little. Very good. Let's see the. Here you can see that the velocity at upstream is very slow, but in downstream you can see velocity is too much. It means the flow is coming from this barrel towards the downstream. And if you want to see the flow, then you can see flow is accumulating at a particular point, and this is converging here and it is coming out from this barrel. So that's it for today video. You can see this. This is very good. Here we have successfully installed the culvert. Okay.